Electronic computers use a special type of number system called binary to represent numerical quantities. And in binary, the only digits you have are 1 and 0. So instead of having digits 0 through 9 like we're used to in our decimal system, everything's just 1 and 0. And this demonstrator here, this little project that the student put together, is to show you exactly how binary number systems work. So first what we do is we turn on the power switch down here. And then once it's on, we've got 4 switches here representing 1 and 0s for a 4-digit, or what we call a 4-bit binary number. And then over here another set of 4 switches representing 1s and 0s for another 4-bit binary number. And then up here we have 5 LEDs, light emitting diodes, and they represent a 5-bit number that is going to be the sum of these two. So for example, if I want to do the number 1 in binary, there, I turn on the first switch, that represents 1. All these switches over here are down, they're all off, that represents 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, and you can see the sum right up there with a lit LED. If I want to add 1 plus 1, what I do is I come over here and flip this switch to 1 as well. So now this is the binary number 0001 representing a quantity of 1, and 0001 also representing a quantity of 1, and together that makes a sum of 2. Now you can actually make any numerical value here between 0 and 15 just by flipping the switches in different combinations. So for example, if I turn on the 8 switch, well, it's 8 and 1, that makes 9. So this is the binary representation of the number 9, 1001. We have an 8, we don't have any 4s, don't have any 2s, but we have a 1. 8 and 1 together make 9. And when I add that to 1, which is 0001, just a on switch in the 1's place, 9 plus 1 gives me 10. And you look up here, and this is the binary representation of 10. We have a light on in the 8's place and a light on in the 2's place. 8 and 2 makes 10. And this is how binary numeration works, and also how binary addition works. So the task here is to play around with the switches, come up with different combinations of numbers, and just see that the sum adds up to what you expect. So here's another example. If I want to make the number 7 over here, I need to turn on the 4 and the 2 and the 1, and that makes 7. And right now 7 plus 0 is indeed 7. Now if I want to take that 7 and add to it another 4, of course 7 plus 4 is 11. When I do that, I'm going to get 11, which is represented by a light on the 8's place, a light in the 2's place, a light in the 1's place. And that is binary. So take some time, play around with the different number settings, and then video record examples of different binary numbers being added together and their respective sums.